In this video, I'll show you how to use Viber communities. Viber communities are a large-scale group chats that allow unlimited numbers to be added inside. Now, in order to use these Viber communities, either you can personally join a community that you like, or you can create one for yourself as well. In order to join a community that you like, you can tap on the search bar on the top, and then you can search for particular keywords that you are interested in. Once you search for keywords, the related groups or communities will start to pop up. You can just tap on one of them and the chat will open up where you can just tap on join channel. This way you'll join this particular channel of the community that you're trying to join. So these are not just the community, these are also channels that other people have created. You can tap on view more as well, and a lot of channels or communities will start to show up. Now, the second part of this is if you're trying to create your own channel, what you can do is tap on this icon on the bottom right, and then on the top you'll see the option called communities. As I said, communities allow you to add in unlimited people so that you can chat about a certain topic, and then you'll be able to select from all of the list that you have. So just pick the people that you're trying to add into this community. Once you've selected everyone, you can now tap on the arrow on the bottom right, and then you'll have two options again, either to create a group chat or a community. Just select the community option and then tap on the tick mark on the top right. This way you'll send an invite to all of the people that you selected to join this community that you created. Only if the other people accepts the request that you sent, they will be immediately joined or added inside of this community. So that's all there is for using Viber communities. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.